So I'm so excited. I actually got a blender and I didn't bring any of my appliances from the States with me, so I kind of knew I'd have to get all new stuff. There's something just so official about seeing that cord. Just look at that. So I absolutely love making breakfast smoothies, lunch smoothies, dinner smoothies, just smoothies in general. I actually cheat with my smoothies. It's always just a blend of vegetables and fruit. I feel like some of you are starting to get on to me that eating just regular plain vegetables, it's kind of boring to me. It's really boring. Especially when you're cooking for yourself, like just cook up like a whole casserole dish of vegetables. I don't know. I have to do something special just to spice it up and make it interesting. And so making smoothies is just one of the ways that I do that. And it's cool because I can take different vegetables like kale, spinach, avocado, and I can just mix it in with things like grapes or strawberries or berries, and it always tastes so delicious. I also love juicing. Oh my goodness. I will juice everything. That's the next appliance I need to get. I need to get a juicer here. The only bad thing about juicing is that you're only taking out all the nutrients from the juice. You're not really getting all that great stuff that's in the vegetable or the fruit skin, or you want kind of all of it, and so you kind of waste a lot. But smoothies, you don't. You get all of that greatness in a drink. So one of the popular flavors that I've noticed in Germany as well here in England is mango. I see mango flavored just a lot of things, from ice to frozen yogurts to smoothies. Here I even see something, it's like mango passion fruit. I tried it. I didn't really want to try it because mango isn't really that popular of a flavor in the States. Most of the time you'll see things like strawberry or maybe mixed berry, which is just like strawberry and blueberries, or like apple, which it isn't even really apple, it's just kind of like a fake syrupy apple. So anyways, the mango seems to be everywhere here, so I tried it and it was absolutely delicious, so I'm about to recreate it. So I literally just took my smoothie maker out of the box. Came with this large one, and then we have a smaller one, and this is the base. These lids are pretty cool. These remind me of like a shaker bottle lid, like for your protein shake, but it makes it to go, so I don't have to worry about putting it in another container. This is the base. Ham swan. Pretty much just right, and then use this. It's cool that like both sizes I think can fit on there. I don't know. I guess I should probably read the instruction manual or something. Nah. German. Vielen Dank für den Kauf von Handswan-Produkt. Bitte lesen Sie diese Bedingungen. Moving right along, has Tasse, a dish string, a Klingenmontage, and a Knopf. Knopf. I don't even know if I'm saying that right.
Knopf.
A button, a knob, pommel, little fella, push button. Little fellow. Okay, I think I'm ready. I know how it works. Got my ice. And I have some mango puree with passion fruit, and I have some juice. This is just a pineapple, apple, peach, and passion fruit juice. Then I have some spinach and kale. Surprising enough, I really taste the pineapple and mango. Literally, that's about all I taste, actually, now that I think of it. That is really good. I'm going to try to make another one that's just fruit, kind of like more of a dessert thing, maybe add some rolled oats to it. Also, I've noticed that the juices here are so amazing. There are so many different flavors. There's one with like even elderflower. I don't know, they just have all these blends that I've never seen in my life. So I really, really love that. And some of the food I've never seen in my life. They had sweet potato coleslaw, or sweet potato salad, and they have sweet coleslaw, and just all types of different things. Don't get me started on the pudding. We're not going to talk about the pudding.